raining bad right now. I can't even see what the hell. It's 122 degree. Heading to Cabazon, see what's the deal. Alright, we just passed, got here by Morongo Casino, about to exit. Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So we caught this from there's a premium outlet store by Cabazon. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is from Adidas outlet store. They were having a sale 30% off. So let's go ahead and get this. But with the coupon, if you buy $125, you get a $25 off. But unfortunately, we didn't want to spend that much money, so here you go. So the total damage is $68.85. So this is the first one. This one is the shorts, size M4. Original retail price for this is Run Sports for a woman, CV8980. Retail price was supposed to be $25, and then the sale price was $19.99, but you take additional 30% off that. So this one is made in Cambodia. I don't know why they got so many tags. I guess it's for different languages. All right. And then you got a drawstring on the inside by your waist. You got the Adidas logo right there. You got a 3M reflective on the side, your right hand side, and then left hand side, and then it says Adidas running. And there's no pockets at all. And this one is the size medium, Ultimate 2.0. You got the Adidas logo right here by your chest area. It's black color. Made in Honduras. What? Regular price $25. Green tag is $25. So this is almost like a retail price, but you take additional 30% off that. And this one is the men's basketball shorts. Got this nice big Adidas logo. on the side of it. And then here is your left hand pocket. Got this nice light gray color on the bottom trim. So it's almost like see-through, so it says climate. This is the right hand pocket right here, so right here it says climate. And on the inside you got this drawstring or draw cord. This one is size medium. There's your size chart. So retail was $30, on sale for $19.99, and then you take additional 30% off that. So it came to be out to be $13.99. And this one is size medium. Another shirt. I believe this is for the woman. It says Adidas running on the left shoulder area. And you got the stripe on the right side. So these are 3M reflective. On the stripe. And you got this Adidas logo right here. Let's check out the price. Wow, the price for this is $28. Let's see what's the model number. I don't think it's $28 because I'm looking at a receipt right now. It is oh, okay. So the CG 2020 is right here. It's $12.98. Okay, and then it's $12.98. That's the on sale price. And this one will be the same thing, exactly the same. But somehow, I don't get it. This one say $28.99. So apparently it is $12.98. Alright, so hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, and then like this video for this Adidas pickup. Hopefully you hit the subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. And drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace.